Rave headgear. Guys, I'm obsessed with this trend. It is all the rage, all of the festival, Burning Man like hats, the visors. It's such a vibe when you see someone wearing such an elaborate piece. Today I'm gonna share with you my DIY for a festival rave visor. I'm so excited to show you the end product. Let's go. Welcome back to Aura Life. Welcome to part 2 of my DIY festival tutorial series. A couple weeks ago, I posted a tutorial about doing a DIY hack, which was to bedazzle a bodysuit. I'll link that above. But today I wanted to focus on another hot trend, which are festival hats and visors. I enjoy making pieces, and I had been kind of scrolling around Etsy, looking on Pinterest and Instagram, and I saw that these burning hats, they're so elaborate and beautiful, but they cost so much money. A festival rave custom hat or visor can start from $50 upwards to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Hundreds of, not thousands, hundreds of dollars. So I was like, how hard can it really be? Let me try to do it. And I actually put this one together. You can see this one is really elaborate. All of this beading I glued on individually. This took a while. But I wanted to recreate this project for you to maybe inspire you to do something similar to it yourself and give it a try. So let's get started into this tutorial and let's see what we can create.
So to start out, I wanted to take you on a trip to Jo-Ann Fabrics with me, just so you can see how much inspiration you can get just from going to the store. There's ribbon, different types of trim, sequins, rope. There's even, these colorful kind of fuzzy balls. There's even feathers. I mean, the possibilities are endless. You can really play around with it. And here, if you want just a smaller selection of fabrics and sequins and beading, there's plenty out there that you can use. This is in like the embellishments aisle. And this is kind of where I get all my puff balls and all of the reversible sequin fabrics. And they even have loose sequins on here too. The first thing is you need a base. And I got these visors on Amazon. I think I got 5 or 6 in a pack. They were super cheap for like $15. I'll link those below. And now you can kind of see the spread that I got from Jo-Ann Fabrics. First, I got this kind of clear, transparent fabric with hearts. I got some sequin fabric that came in kind of a smaller size that's reversible in various different colors. And I thought that would be really easy to tack onto the visor as a base. I also got some more embellishments. I got some feathers, some colorful feathers that I can add on. I got some ribbon that was on sale, some different metallic colors. Of course, with any festival DIY, you need glue sticks. So I got a whole bunch of glue sticks. And then guys, Halloween is the perfect time to go shopping for this type of stuff. This was some reflective trim that I found that was going to be used for costumes, but you can definitely use it for this. I got these fuzzy kind of neon balls to go with that color scheme. Got some plain black ones. And then this was also, again, some trim for a Halloween costume. And of course, you need lots and lots of trim for this type of thing. The key to these hats being, over the top and looking finished and polished and really expensive are the trim, and it helps to hide all the different various layers that you're gonna do. All right, let's get started. So first thing, I took my purple visor and I have the reversible purple fabric. I'm gonna add that onto this as a base. So this part will take a little bit of maneuvering because visors and hats are kind of circular and they're curved. You're gonna have to figure out a way to tack it on that makes sense and to maximize the fabric. So I decided to cut it in half, and then half of it was gonna be glued on one side, and then the other half was gonna be glued on the other, and then I would trim from there. So as you can see, I'm gluing and reinforcing all of the edges, and I'm cutting off the excess. Make sure to keep the scraps because you never know when you could use that for something else along the way. From here, it's just taking a look at the elements that you have and then filling that in as your base. So I decided to use some ribbon here, silver at the top, cutting off the excess like I did at the bottom. And next, I used a metallic pink. Cut it down the middle, and then I tacked that on as well. And just so you know, you may have to cut a couple pieces and tack it on next to each other in parts, just because it is circular and you won't get it to line up properly. But that's okay because the embellishments will hide all the imperfections and the cut lines that you have on there. Now we're getting to the fun part, gluing on all the embellishments. And I started with these black puff balls, just doing a border to kind of hide where both of those ribbon colors meet. And now it's time to add the studs. And like I said, this process can go on and on and on. You add layer after layer of embellishment to your hat or your visor. And that's what makes it out there and makes it look expensive, extravagant, and just over the top. Personally, I like to add pieces that are kind of 3D and kind of hang down. You can use fringe. Here you can kind of see I'm using these kind of fuzzy balls that come down. I've also used trim, beaded trim that kind of hangs down too, even underneath the top of the visor, so it's coming down over your face, and it's just another nice element to kind of make your piece stand out. And our piece wouldn't be complete, obviously, without a little sparkle. So I'm adding in some purple rhinestones of various colors, just along the line to kind of cover up and hide the piece of string where those balls are kind of hanging down from. And again, it's just an added extravagant detail that kind of makes it seem legit, like a legit festival hat. So guys, this is the final product. I really like it. I like that it's kind of reversible, even kind of looks really cute with my fro. Not too bad for a day's work. I like I said, the color combination and the studs and the little shiny. I added some gems to the edging. I didn't show that part because it could be kind of tedious, but yeah, I really like it. This is pretty good for my second go around. I think I'm gonna start making a few more for some friends here and there, but thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Please hit subscribe if you'd like to see more content from me, and you can click the little bell as well if you'd like to get notified for when new videos are uploaded. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other festival related DIYs that you'd like to see from me. I'd be happy to give them a try, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!